Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to move a window to another desktop space by dragging it to top on the Mac. So desktop spaces allows you to separate your app and windows across different virtual desktops. Moving a window to another space can help keep your workspace organized without closing or reopening the app. macOS can open mission control while you drag a window, and you can then continue moving the same window into another desktop space showing at the top of the screen. So before starting, you need at least two desktop space enabled, and you also need to enable drag to mission control gesture. So to enable that or check if it's enabled or not, click on the Apple logo and choose system settings. Now in the left side pane, go to desktop and dock, and here in the right side pane, scroll down all the way down and make sure the toggle right to drag window to top of the screen to enter mission control is enabled. And when this toggle is enabled, from now on all you just need to drag a window to the top of the screen and you will enter to mission control, and from here you can move a window from one desktop space to another, and you even can drag this window to this plus icon so it create a new desktop space and transfer the window to that space, as you can see here. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.